Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study CPC Bear Act. Read the Bear Act sequentially and focus on headings, definitions, and procedural flow. Break chapters into manageable chunks and make concise summaries after each session. Use color highlights for terminology and margin notes for quick review. Practice applying provisions to sample cases and past questions to build practical understanding and confidence in exam settings. Start with active techniques that force application rather than passive reading. Draw flowcharts to map procedural steps and connect related provisions visually. Write short fact patterns and argue outcomes using specific sections to build legal reasoning. Implement spaced repetition for important rules to prevent forgetting, and schedule quick weekly reviews to keep material fresh and actionable for exams and practice. If you're finding these study tips helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which helps when budgeting time for study and resources. I often laugh that better finances mean more books and notes, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Commit to regular practice and deliberate revision to convert knowledge into skill. Tackle past exam questions under timed conditions and compare your answers to model responses. Explain provisions aloud or in a study group to expose weak spots and reinforce learning. Keep a one-page cheat sheet with core provisions for quick revision before tests or court appearances and update it as your understanding improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.